So, question number 12 of exercise 9b. This is the diagram given to us. They are saying that all A, B, C, D, they are lying on the ground. Okay. This is the length, and they are saying that from B, this is your knot. Okay. When I will go in this direction, that will be my knot. Now, they are saying, first part of the question is saying, find the bearing of B from A. Find bearing of B from A. Okay. Find the bearing of B from A. That's the first requirement which they have asked in this question. Now, B is my target, A is my source. Knot will be drawn on A, that is my source. Over there, I'm going to draw my knot. Okay, so I'm drawing my knot over here. From B, they were saying if you will go in this direction, that's the knot. So from this to this and this, I have made. Okay, this is my knot. Okay, after that, I have to connect my source with the target that is already connected. Okay, after this, what I have to do? I have to find this angle. I have to find this angle in order to find my bearing. Now, nothing around this angle is given to me as an angle. No angle is given over here or over here. So what I can do? See, this is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle, this side is given and this side is given. It's a complete straight line, so it means it is a complete 180 degree. So if I can find this angle, which I am representing by theta, if I can find this angle, I will subtract it from 180 and I will have this one, which will be my bearing. Okay. Now, according to this angle theta, this one is opposite to 90 degree. I'm talking about in triangle A, D, B. I'm talking about this one. Okay. 57 is your hypotenuse. Opposite to this, opposite to 90 degree, its hypotenuse 57 meters. Now, with this angle, adjacent to this angle, it is 34. Okay, so base or adjacent side is 34 meters. You have to find theta over here. Now I have got base and I have got hypotenuse. So, and it's a 90 degree, so I'm going to use a ratio. Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, cos theta. You can also use the word of adjacent. Okay. So base is given to me as 34 over 57. I have to find the value of theta. So what will I do? Theta equals to cos inverse 34 over 57. You guys can use your calculator to get your answer. So when I'm going to simplify it, theta equals to 53.4 degrees coming. This theta is coming 53.4 degree. Now, what I was looking for, I was not looking for this. They have asked for this thing. The bearing of B from A. Now, as I have got this thing, the straight line will be of 180 degree. So, what will I do? Bearing will be equals to The straight line is of 180 degree. I have got this length 53.4. So when I will subtract it, my bearing is going to be 126.6. Okay, my bearing is going to be 126.6. B part of the question is saying find shortest distance. Find shortest distance from C to BD. Find shortest distance from C to BD. How will you find the shortest distance, beta? Whenever they are saying shortest distance, they are saying shortest distance from this point to this line. So what will you do? You will draw a perpendicular, means a line which is making 90 degree over here. Okay, a line which is making 90 degree from this point to this point. Shortest distance means that from the point to the line it should make a 90 degree. Only then it is called the shortest distance. So right now when I make this line, this is my shortest distance. Then I have to find this length. Okay, I have to find this length. So now I have got a triangle over here. This length is missing. This one, this is missing. Okay, I'm just naming this by myself as X. Okay, I'm naming this one by myself as X. So in triangle CXB, I'm taking this side and not this side because over here I have got two things, one angle, one side. Over here I haven't got anything, so I'm not going on this side, I'm going on this side. Okay, now angle is given. I have to find the side which is opposite to the given angle other than 90 degree, and I have to find, I have got this one which is hypotenuse. Okay, so angle is given 37 degree. Okay, and this one in CXB, this one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 28 meter. Okay, and I have to find this one which is opposite to this. So you can call it as opposite or you can call it as perpendicular. Perpendicular or opposite side is unknown. So hypotenuse and perpendicular, they are related in sine. Sine, you can write any other symbol for angle. Sine phi equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine of phi means I am talking about this angle, that is 37. Perpendicular is missing, and hypotenuse is 28. Okay. Now I have to find perpendicular. So I will shift this 28 over here. So what will happen? 28 into sine 37 equals to perpendicular. Okay. What I have done, I have shifted this 28 over here. So this is now in multiply form. 28 into sine 37 equals to perpendicular. Then I will simplify it. The answer is going to be 16.85, which can be rounded up to 16.9. Okay. So your answer for this part where they were saying to find the shortest distance is coming 16.9 meter. That's your shortest distance for this part, okay, which is over here. Key part of the question is saying find bearing of B, bearing of D from C. I have to find the bearing of D from C. So where is my C? On C, I have made my knot. Okay. Find the bearing of B. So what is your B? B is your target. C is your source. Okay. So I have on knot, I have made this one, and I have to find this angle. I have to find this angle, this whole thing, because this is the connected line. So I have to find this whole thing. Now, what should I do? The problem actually, now if I can find this value first, if I can find this value, can I do something over here? Then still I am not having this point. Still I am not going to have this thing. Okay? So now I have to think that what should I do so that I can get this result. Two ways to solve this part. What are those two ways? First of all, I can find the length of BD. First thing, length of BD from triangle ABD. From this triangle, I will find this whole length. Then I will find BX from triangle CXB. I will find this length. Okay. After that, I will find XD length. By subtracting these two, I will find XD length. Once I've got XD length, I've already got this one, which is coming 16.9. I will solve these two to get this one and then subtract it from 360. Okay. First of all, I'm doing it with this one. Now, for BD. So, what is BD? This is the length. This is given. This is given. Now, you can find BD by any means. It's your choice. So, for BD, I'm applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, h square equals to p square plus b square. That's your Pythagoras theorem, which we all know. Okay. Now, in this one, what I'm going to do, hypotenuse square. So that is 57 square. You can take this one as perpendicular or this one as perpendicular. That's totally your choice. So perpendicular is coming 34 square and base is BD, which is missing. So 57 square minus 34 square equals to BD square, taking root on both sides. So 57 square minus 34 square equals to BD. Okay. I have used Pythagoras theorem to get this thing. BD is coming 45.7. Okay, this whole length is coming 45.7. Now I have to go for BX, which is over here. Okay, so again for BX, what will I do? I will go by Pythagoras theorem. What's my Pythagoras theorem? My Pythagoras theorem is this is perpendicular, there is 90°, this is hypotenuse, and I have to find this one. So hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is given 28 square. Perpendicular is 16.9 square plus base is px whole square. So under root 28 square minus 16.9 square equals to px. Okay? It's coming 22.3 meter. Okay? Now, I have got this length. I have to find this one. How will I find dx? Okay? Dx will be BD minus dx, which means 45.7 minus 22.3. So my dx will be equals to 23.4 meter. My dx is coming. This one is coming 23.4 meter. You guys can check it in your calculator also. This is coming 23.4. Now I have got this, I have got this. I have to find this angle. This angle I have to find. According to this angle, this is your perpendicular and this is your base. Okay? So I have to find tangent C. Perpendicular is given 23.4 and base is given 16.9. So tan inverse 23.4 over 16.9. So when I am going to simplify it, the value of C is coming 54.2. The value of C is coming 54.2. So this is 50.4.2 and I have to find this one. The whole circle will be 360. If I will subtract this, I will get my bearing. Okay. So what will I do? I will subtract out of 360. I will subtract 54.2. I'm solving it over here, beta. 360 minus 54.2 will give me this part. Simplified, the answer is going to be 305.8, and that's the bearing of T from C. I have written it over here.